Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Cessnaflightsim and thank you very much for joining me today. Today we are in the beautiful islands of Hamilton Island. This is where we're at the moment. Hamilton Island Airport is situated in the Whitsundays. We're going to be taking a quick, really short 15-minute flight over to Hayman Island. So it's only, 15 minutes away. It should be nice and sweet, relatively not too hard. We're just going to take off. We're going to be flying pretty much to the, whereabouts, around about 32, 320 degrees, and coming into Hayman Island. So let's get started. Mixture, fully in, nice and rich, throttle about quarter of the way in. We're going to be turning on our master switches, batteries on, avionics now come on, and our fuel pump, okay. And we get onto our lights, pivots on, beacon, nav, strobe, and taxi, so we can be seen. Don't need landing lights on at this stage. Everything's good. Trim wheel, we'll set that just for takeoff. We'll go through our flaps, make sure that our flaps are all good. And they're fully extended. Excellent. Put it back up. Okay, so we're looking pretty good at this stage. One thing I should have done is put my phone on silent. Can't sure if you hear those beeps. There we go. I'll do that. Right, and we're pretty much ready for takeoff. So here we go. There's no one around us. We would shout clear at this stage. Start up the engine. And we're good. Still got our brake on, and just check our pressure here. So magnetos, left, back to both, right. Small fluctuations, we're good. Okay, excellent. Brake off, and we are up. Okay, that's good. So, it's been an excellent week this week. This week is my birthday, so looking forward to that coming up in a few days' time. And for my birthday, my girlfriend got me GoPro 7 White, so I can make these videos. So today we are filming on the GoPro 7 White, and I must say, the quality I've seen from it so far is just amazing. It looks amazing. So hopefully it comes out okay for you guys watching this. I've tried my best to line up all three screens. Another thing I want to say about the screens today, the front screen is a 4K. So I've just got this today. This is a 4K. It's a brand called Falcon, spelled with two F's for Falcon. And I've never heard of it before, but seemingly they're made by TCL. So it's a low-range 4K TV. I think it looks amazing. I can't see any pixels whatsoever, and I'm about just over maybe 2 feet away from the screen. Okay, so off we go. Normally I do a call here. Yeah, but we're not going to bother with that today with air traffic control. Oh, this is just a simple. Alright, and turn here to the right. But yeah, absolutely beautiful day here in the Whitsundays. So I programmed the time for 10 minutes past 7. So we've got the sun just coming up over these hills here. There's some nice helicopters here in the compound. A couple of helicopters, a Wasp, Cessna, and making our way down the runway here. First taxi, and then we're going to be taking off in the opposite direction on runway 32. Turn around. Look at that. Look at that ocean. That's beautiful. reflections on the front of the hood. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so we are ready for a takeoff. I'm just going to sit here for a second. We've got the Yadas coming in through comms. Com 1.
Hamilton Eye Information Whiskey. 2000 Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility more than 10. Sky clear, temperature 15, dew point -14. Altimeter 2992. Arriving runway 32, departing runway 32.
That's what we're on.
Advise on initial contact, you have whiskey.
We're on whiskey, people. Okay, so we're going to be heading off with whiskey. Let's do this. Let's get to live. Okay, and rotate. And we get a positive rate of climb. Climb us out to 1,000 feet, and once we get to 1,000, we'll just make a slight turn just towards the west, towards Hayman Island. It's not that much of a deviation on a current course, and like I said, it's just a really quick flight. It's just 15 minutes. Yeah, it's just a pretty small one, just so you guys can see. Basically my first flight video with a new GoPro and also with the new 4K screen. Okay, so we're at 1,000 feet. We're going to level out. We're going to be making that slight turn to the left here. Kodiak. On that throttle. Trim out. We want to get our throttle down to about 2,000 RPM. That's good. Okay, and we'll just hang about this altitude for now. I'll lean her out a little bit. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but I've been getting a lot of like flickering happening on the screens, and I'm not sure if it's from a recent update that's happened through Explain 11. It's happening on this screen, it's happening on this screen. It seems to only happen when I'm flying over water, and I'd really like to know if there's anyone out there that uses Explain 11. Can you let me know if it's happening on your setup that you have? Because I'd really like some feedback on that if you are watching this. And if so, if you've managed to fix it. Sitting at 1,100 feet here quite nicely. We're just going to move a little bit to the right. Hayman Island actually is directly in front of us. And it just looks magical up here. If you're wondering what frames I'm getting on my computer, just below 30 frames a second, 29, 30 frames a second. So the computer I've got here is running everything. I have one computer, it runs full HD computer monitor on the right screen, it runs full HD computer monitor for the left screen, they're both 32-inch, and on the front screen I'm running a 4K 65-inch monitor, and it just looks amazing. It's so realistic. Sometimes you do forget you're in the simulator. And as always, guys, if you ever need any help with anything to do with your simulations, any help on the setup, wanting to know how to build a simulator like the one I've got, Please do get in touch. I'm always keen to help anybody out. Any questions? Always have to answer them. Okay. So the airport is actually starting to come into view now. It's just up here in this area. Let's keep an eye on my speed. A bit more throttle will make the nose come up, which means more altitude. That's fine. I mean, I don't want to go too higher than 1,500 feet at this stage, especially since we're coming into landing at the runway. About this time I would be contacting the tower if I was doing a proper run. So I'd be contacting them. If there's not a tower available there, we'll just do a basic CCAT. And let them know what we're doing, basically just for other planes or any traffic in the area. They might be approaching the airport. We let them know what we're doing, just to avoid any mishaps on the way. Okay? Have a look on my GPS, and we're on target for that, so we're good. It's going to drop down. There's a little bit of altitude here. Don't need to do anything with the stick, just take off a little bit of throttle. The plane will automatically start descending for us because we have lost the thrust. So out one notch of flaps. Those will go up. We're going to trim down for that. That's good. Currently descending at about 250 feet a minute. That's a nice descent approach. At 80 knots. Just below. Give it one more notch of flaps. So the actual approach for this is it's quite close to hills. Always have to be very, very careful of that. Do not want to be smashing into the side of these. So stay well clear from the nose. Want to keep an eye on the speed. If the speed gets too low, we're in trouble. Last notch of flaps going down now. Nice. And there's the airport. Lovely. Nice and smooth. Keep an eye on that speed. Don't want it to get away on us. So, yeah. Nice little flight over to Hayman Island. It's very picturesque. I'd like to do it again sometime, maybe to chuck in some clouds, see what that looks like. Coming down, 60 knots. Flaps fully extended. Little flap sleeper that I've got here, I got that off Desktop Aviator. You can pick them up from desktopaviator.com. I think they're between $40 and $50. Memory, they just plug straight to USB. It's plug and play. They're a great little machine to have. And I do recommend you get one because it just gives a better sense of realism. any landing you can walk away from is a good landing, I reckon. So what we're going to do, let's go to the end here. So we're going to have to go right to the end. Okay, should pop off. Takes right on. Okay, put my mixture back at the full when landing. Naughty. Flaps all the way back up. Let's clean up the airplane. Now it's going to be a turn around here. Oh, someone's house. Back towards the hangars. So yeah, that's it. Hamilton Island over to Hayman Island. Please let me know what you thought about the flight. Always great to get feedback. And yeah, that's it, guys.